Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add to-dos on Pinterest. It's a very easy and simple process and it works both on Android as well as on iPhone. So let's begin. First of all, just open the Pinterest app. When the app is open, just tap on your icon or the profile and let me just press this one. You can press whichever you want, it's up to you. So as you can see, by tapping on it, it is showing over here that to do's, right? So just press on it and then on the bottom it says add your first to do. Just tap on add to your first to do and add a title whatever you want. So just let me type like let's say design. Okay, so just then go back, go down. Your brilliant ideas, go ahead, just type whatever you want, like design for cars maybe, and design for bike. So okay, now you have written this, and over here as you can see, this one, what it does is it makes your to-dos a little more like in a professional way. Like if you tap on it and add your ideas or to do, so like add your ideas, whatever idea you have, it's up to you. So then after typing whatever your idea is, then tap on done. So as you can see, to do not created. So this is the way how to add to do's on Pinterest.